When I try home, I go to some. I be on my load like I be coming.
How possible we hear of this?
Sit down on me, I go some. If you hang on, she find girl, hey. She even drop her number. It's very nice, right? I'm come and take it.
70 years old man.
I'm Tian.
You be mumu.
Criminal network. You see.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Politicians.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
$5 billion. Yeah, yeah. Niger.
You have to have capacity.
Hey, you come here, Johnny. Come here. Come here, you. Papa, good afternoon.
Funke!
So, it's not that you will greet.
If you were talking
Shut up your mouth, my friend. Well, you were walking out. So you're walking out of your father. Bunk on you.
I don't get your time now. I want to go play bet. Now I get one game where enter my head. Now I want to go play. I know they tell me this thing where they tell me now.
Okay. You don't have time for your father. You want to go and play bet, Niger. Look at daily newspaper. A boy of 21 years bought Benz for the father. And you're here misbehaving. Where are you going to? Tell me where you're going to.
Nah, Papa.
You're stupid. Your mates are building houses up and down. Building houses everywhere. Look at this land. It has been bought by a young boy, your age mate. And you're here misbehaving. Walking up and down like a sheep. Huh? Benz everywhere. I'm asking you now, Bobby. When are you going to buy Benz for your father? Tell me.
Papa, all these things you are saying, Benz. Your mates are buying Benz. Papa, your mates are dying.
What?
Your mates are dying like chicken. When will you die? Let me occupy this your house, this your bobo. Let me occupy it. When will you die?
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?